Welcome to today's lesson on global warming. This vital topic will help us understand the increase in greenhouse gases, leading to global warming through the advanced greenhouse effect, and explore the consequences of this warming. Welcome to today's lesson on global warming. This vital topic will help us understand the increase in greenhouse gases, leading to global warming through the advanced greenhouse effect, and explore the consequences of this warming. In our lesson today, we will first look into the role of greenhouse gases in insulating the Earth. We will then examine how human activities, such as burning fossil fuels and deforestation, have caused a rise in these gases. Finally, we will explore the concept of global warming, understanding its causes through the advanced greenhouse effect and discussing its far-reaching consequences on our planet. So far, you have learned about the decreasing biodiversity due to human impacts, like deforestation. This knowledge is crucial as it allows us to explore how human actions are not only affecting biodiversity, but also altering the Earth's climatic systems. Understanding the role of greenhouse gases and the impact of human activity helps us grasp how intricate and interconnected our ecosystems are and underscores the importance of addressing human-induced changes to safeguard our planet's future. Let's get started. To start, let's understand how energy from the sun interacts with our planet. Energy from the sun reaches the Earth and warms the surface. The Earth then emits some of this energy back into space. The balance between the amount of energy received from the sun and the energy that leaves Earth's atmosphere determines our planet's temperature. Not all the emitted energy from Earth escapes directly into space. Certain gases in the Earth's atmosphere, known as greenhouse gases, absorb some of the infrared radiation and re-radiate it back to the Earth's surface. This process creates an insulating layer around the Earth, similar to how a blanket keeps you warm. The most abundant greenhouse gases include carbon dioxide, CO2, water vapor, H2O, and methane, CH4. Some level of greenhouse gases are essential for life because it keeps the Earth warm enough to be habitable. However, human activities are rapidly increasing the levels of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, making the Earth's temperature increase quickly. Let's explore some key activities leading to this increase. One is burning fossil fuels. When we burn fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas for energy, carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere. This significantly raises the levels of CO2. Another is deforestation. Trees and forests play a crucial role in absorbing CO2 from the air. When large areas of forest are cut down or burned, not only is this CO2 sink removed, but the stored carbon is also released back into the atmosphere. A third is agriculture. Certain farming practices increase methane levels. For example, rice paddies release methane, and livestock such as cows produce methane during digestion. When the levels of greenhouse gases rise due to human activities, more heat energy is trapped by the atmosphere and re-radiated back to Earth. This intensified effect is known as the enhanced greenhouse effect, and it leads to an increase in global temperatures, commonly referred to as global warming. We have compelling evidence that the enhanced greenhouse effect is causing global warming. The 10 hottest years on record have occurred within the last decade, and the global mean temperature has increased by over 1 degree Celsius since 1880. Global warming has numerous and often severe consequences for ecosystems and human life. For instance, melting ice caps and rising sea levels. The polar ice caps are melting and seawater is expanding as it warms. This causes sea levels to rise, leading to the flooding of low-lying areas where millions of people and numerous species live. There has also been changes in species distribution. Some plants and animals may find that their habitats become too warm or too dry. Species that can adapt to warmer conditions may expand their ranges, while others that cannot adapt may see their populations decline or even face extinction. Another consequence is altered migration patterns. Many animals, such as birds, rely on specific environmental conditions for breeding or living. As temperatures change, migration patterns may shift. For example, birds may fly further north as those regions become more suitable for habitation. Extreme weather events are another result of global warming. Changes in temperature and weather patterns can lead to more frequent and severe weather events, such as hurricanes, droughts, and heavy rainfall. These events can have devastating impacts on communities and ecosystems. To summarize, greenhouse gases play a crucial role in maintaining Earth's temperature by trapping heat. However, human activities have significantly increased the levels of these gases, leading to the enhanced greenhouse effect and global warming. The consequences include rising sea levels, shifts in species distribution, altered migration patterns, and more extreme weather events. Understanding this process is essential for taking action to mitigate the effects of global warming and protect our ecosystems and future generations. Let's work through some questions to consolidate our knowledge on the effect of greenhouse gases and the consequences of global warming. List 3 common greenhouse gases and describe their role in insulating the Earth. Pause here to have a go. Now let's go through it. Well-known greenhouse gases include carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, and water vapour, H2O. These greenhouse gases create an insulating layer in the Earth's atmosphere, trapping and re-emitting heat, and leading to an increase in global temperatures. Let's look at another question. Explain 2 major consequences of global warming. Pause here to have a go. Now let's go through it. We have seen that rising temperatures have numerous effects on the Earth's climate and ecosystems. In terms of specific consequences, one that you could mention is the melting polar ice caps. As global temperatures rise, polar ice caps and glaciers melt, causing sea levels to rise. This leads to the flooding of coastal areas and loss of habitat for polar species. Another is extreme weather events. Increased global temperatures can result in more frequent and severe weather events, such as hurricanes, droughts, and heat waves. This affects human communities and natural ecosystems. In today's lesson, we delved into the effects of greenhouse gases on Earth's insulation and how human activities have contributed to an increase in these gases. We began by understanding that greenhouse gases, such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide, play a crucial role in trapping heat within the Earth's atmosphere, effectively acting as an insulating layer. This natural greenhouse effect is essential for maintaining the planet's temperature and supporting life. We then examined how human activities, including burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and agricultural processes, have significantly elevated the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. This increase has intensified the greenhouse effect, leading to what is known as the enhanced greenhouse effect. As a result, we are experiencing global warming, characterized by a rise in Earth's average surface temperature. We further discussed the consequences of global warming, which include more frequent and severe weather events, melting polar ice caps, and disruption to species habitats and migration patterns. These changes have profound impacts on both natural environments and human societies, leading to challenges such as habitat loss, species extinction, and socio-economic disruptions. By understanding the mechanisms behind the greenhouse effect and the impact of human activities on it, we can better appreciate the significance of addressing climate change. Reducing greenhouse gas emissions and mitigating the effects of global warming are essential for preserving the health of our planet for future generations.